Everything was very good. It was very supportive. Like the classes and all of the trainers, everyone were like very informative. The classes was like I joined because I wanted to know more about this clinical research. So I got to know that. So that goal was achieved. So the class was well elaborated and everything was, explained very well. And the questions were answered properly. It was not like they didn't put it aside. They replied it at the time itself, and the it was very informative class.
So, Saranya, first of all, congratulations on your successful placement.
Thank you.
And
Thank you so much.
and this is a feedback call wherein we would like to know your journey with Cleany Launch.
Yeah, everything was very good. It was very supportive. Like the classes and all of the trainers, everyone were like very informative. The classes was like I joined because I wanted to know more about this clinical research. So I got to know that. So that goal was achieved. So the class was well elaborated and everything was, explained very well. And the questions were answered properly. It was not like they didn't put it aside. They replied it at the time itself, and the it was very informative class. So we didn't had to like do even a brush up. For me, I'm saying in the class itself, everything gets cleared. It gets stored properly because it's very practical class, we can say. In the sense, not just a conversation is happening, they are showing it, and images and everything, so it get clicked in our brain. So it's good to recall it. We can recall some things if someone asks. We don't even have to prepare beforehand. So class was very informative, and I'm very much thankful to all of my trainers. And regarding placement, if I say placement, it was also very much helpful and very much they were like each and every step they were like helping very much. If I have any doubt, she's like available every time. I am asking her. Even after I got confirmation, I didn't got this offer letter, so for that I was a little bit panicked. So at that time and all, she was very helpful. She was like calming me down, and she was assuring me that you are placed, so you don't have to worry like that. So yeah, everything was great. It made me like the journey was not very hard. If I do from my part, then there is like there are bunch of people who is there to help me. So it was like very much assuring.
That's amazing to know. Thank you so much for your kind words, Saranya. Saranya, where have you got placed now?
Portia,
Okay.
Medibis, Portia sister
Mhm.
company it is.
And what's the profile?
Quality executive.
Oh, nice. That's great. So, have you already joined, or your joining date is
No,
near in future?
Monday is my joining date, April 7th it
Okay,
is.
that's nice. So, are you excited?
Yeah, very much. Actually, I had a big break in between. So I worked as a quality control microbiologist. So after that, I
Okay.
got this 2 years of gap, big break. It happened. So now I'm like all so many emotions are there before joining. So
That's
it's
nice.
hard to
A
tell.
little bit scared you are, and
Yeah,
you're also excited.
nervous, happy,
to-
everything is there.
That's nice. That's great. Thank you so much, Saranya, for your feedback. And we are always there to support in case, in future you need any help. We are right here. And all the very best for your career journey. Again, you have kicked, you have done, again, it's a restart for you,
Yes,
is what
yes.
I understand. All the very best for it. And then I'm
Thank you
sure
so
that you
much.
will get a great success ahead.
Thank you so much. Thank you for this, everything you have done for us.